Hi, this is Joe McBride with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks and Osage Beach. We're on board a 2011 245 Crownline. Folks, this boat is clean. Gel coat is near perfect. It's sitting on a tandem axle trailer with a spare tire. So you folks that are having a hard time finding a runabout with the trailer, we've got you covered there. Ben, why don't you come on aboard?
All right.
As Ben comes up here, we've got a nice little swim platform right here. Got a stainless steel ladder. This boat is powered by a 350 mag Merc cruiser. On the rear, on the swim platform, you've got a Rockford Fosgate stereo. This keeps you in the water so you don't have to climb back in the boat to mess with your stereo. Pop-up cleats, stainless steel. Cool little cubby storage area back here. You can throw some miscellaneous things in here like a football, so go long on the water. So you go into the cockpit, you'll notice there is a cushion right here that is removable, so you don't have to step on this upholstery and ruin it. This upholstery overall is in excellent shape. Ben, why don't you come forward into the cockpit. You've got on the port and starboard side large storage area. In there right now are the bow filler cushions, so you can make it into a full sun pad. More storage over here.
It's deep
Storage, plenty of room. This is going to be more of your dry storage. For wet storage, we've got you covered right here. Big ski locker. Put your noodles, skis. It extends well back there beyond almost where Ben is. As you see, it's got a nice snap-in carpet, which is in very good condition. Folks, this boat is very nice. If you're looking for something that's clean but used with a trailer, this is the boat. It's got approximately 350 hours, so low hours, always been maintained. Dual helm chairs with flip-up bolsters. Do have a head in this boat, which is a nice feature. Got a nice walk-through windshield. Again, Rockford Fosgate stereo right there. Nice little storage area underneath right there. As you come up here, spacious area in the bow, plenty of cup holders. Keep your drinks secure while you're going down the lake. Nice armrest. I'm just shy of 6 foot. I've got plenty of room, so good room up here. You could probably seat 4 adults. 2 speakers, as well as a ladder that extends off the bow of this boat. So you've got a ladder in the rear and in the front. Stainless steel grab rail. Folks, this is a very nice boat. You want a discount on a good boat that'll get you out on the water this summer, come check us out. Again, my name is Joe McBride with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks and Osage Beach. Feel free to contact me about this boat or any of our other sales professionals. Thanks.